Welcome to our YouTube video on how to add music to your Instagram note. Are you looking to make your notes on Instagram more engaging and expressive? We've got you covered with this full guide. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Google Play and update the Instagram app to the latest version on your Android device. Step 2. Open the Instagram app. Step 3. Go to the direct messaging (DM) section, located in the top right corner with a message bubble icon. Step 4. Look for the Notes section at the top of the page. Step 5. Click on the pluses button to add a new note. Step 6. Tap the music icon. Step 7. Find the song you want to add. You can search for a genre, song, or artist if you're looking for something specific. Step 8. Once you've found a song you like, tap on it to preview the song. Step 9. When you're happy with your selection, press the checkmark icon in the corner to confirm. Step 10. Write your note and tap share. The music will play when someone views your note. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can enhance your Instagram notes with music and make them more captivating. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Happy note making.